Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you are in the world. Today I will make tortillas for breakfast or dinner with different things. Cheddar cheese, that's turkey, pastrami, but it can be ham or bacon, some sausage, whatever you like and whatever you have in your refrigerator at the moment. Thin slices will be good for. Check if there are no shells. I will add one more egg because my tortillas are quite big. A little bit of salt and a tiny pinch of pepper. Butter. These are very big. Some cheddar cheese. On a low heat. Some pepper. And tomatoes. Some green onion, and again a little bit of cheddar cheese. Again green onion and cheddar cheese, and turkey pastrami. Cover with cheddar cheese. After 5 minutes I will turn over. It's a quite big tortilla. And now, like 5 minutes on a really low heat. I don't know how I make this, really. Became like this. In the meantime, I made a salad. So bon appetit! It's good for breakfast, especially weekend breakfast when you have more time. Looks like this. Bon appetit! And with some salad, it will be a very healthy lunch. Be without eggs on the top. Distribute equally. on a low heat. Potatoes, pepper, bit of cheddar cheese with green onion, another big tortilla, cheddar cheese, and turkey of cheddar cheese and a little bit of green onion. No more eggs on the top. It will be very crispy. I made this. I will not add any eggs, just we'll cook it for another 5 minutes and they will be done. Turn off the gas. Okay, I made this. It looks like this, without eggs on the top. And it looks like this. Bon appetit!